set the blood can clear the skin. The forge before the sun, bellows breathe, the tally's done. Still remembers every hand that struck it wrong or struck it red. Measure thrice, then mark it true. Iron's patient, are you? The hammer knows where it lands and how it goes. Miss your mark and hear it groan, and still don't like to be alone. Strike, clang, hear the ring, that's the sound of a proper thing. By arm and eye and counted plan, and we are the hammer on the anvil span. Tools complain if treated ill, chisel soak and saws go still. Give them oil square and clean, they'll forgive what's in between. Sloppy work will not pass by, the forge itself will testify. Strike, clang, the hammer knows who respects the grain that flows. Rush the work and hear it cry. Ironfold, don't let that lie. Strike, clang, steady hand, built to last as long as planned. By rule and rail and measured span, we are the hammer on the anvil span. Lock the flaw on slate and stone, dated, signed and filed alone. Next year's meet will raise the page, see if time has cooled the rage. Every arch outlives its lord, every gate remembers swords. What we build outstays our names, that's the cost and that's the claim. If it stands when we are dust, then the work was fair and just. Strike, clang, the hammer knows truth is in the echo's close. False ring cracks before it shows, honest steel just stages slow. Strike, clang, forge and plan, complain first then try again. By grit and grudge and careful scan, we are the hammer on the anvil span. When the ledger's full and sealed, and the forge at last is healed, let the mountains understand we did not guess, we built.